Never done it before, but why not give it a go? Why not?
Get out, thumbs up.
All good.
Yay!
That was buzzing.
Yeah.
That was fun. I've done it before, I know how much it hurts, don't want to do it again.
Am I stupid? Yeah.
That was good. Want to do it again?
The man! Let's hear it for him! Well done, well done, well done. Absolutely superb effort, my man. Absolutely brilliant.
all my mates. They was like, jump in the car, do it. You can have it, feel free.
So you didn't know you were doing this today?
Nope. Come to be a scrutineer, basically, just to help everyone out on the tools. Didn't really think I was going to jump in a car and do it.
Was it as bad as you thought or as good as you thought?
It was better than what I thought, yeah. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. I've rolled before, 7 times down the straight, and that was worse than that. I thought I was going to hit a car and that's it, but I didn't.